Are you happy with your current language translation provider, or have you thought about switching it up? Sometimes a vendor will become complacent. You'll notice poor translations, missed deadlines, and an overall lack of communication. Well, finding a new qualified vendor isn't as difficult as it may seem. Lingualinx would like to provide you with some tips to help find a qualified language service provider. Here are some topics that you may want to include when selecting a new vendor.
If you have style guidelines in place for communication, such as font sizes, margins, etc., and also a glossary of key terms used, supply them. We can continue to use and build upon these to keep consistency in your communication.
Your translation memory is yours, and you can take it wherever you go. You may not want to lose the leverage that you've built with your old vendors over time. If that's the case, we can continue to use and expand your TMs.
With each vendor, there is good and bad. Talk about what worked and what didn't work with your last vendor's translation process. If one of your key issues was turnaround time, let's assess how we can be more efficient on the client side and the vendor side to alleviate this problem.
It is never great to dwell on the past, but letting your new vendor know about old issues puts your concerns at the forefront. Then we can highlight and focus on these particular issues. Your goals will become our goals, and we will make sure these issues disappear.
Most of the time, organizations look to make the switch due to poor quality. If quality was a key concern with your last vendor, it is beneficial to have us review your translation memory, glossary, and term base. We can evaluate them and see if they need to be redone or updated.
We hope these tips are beneficial to you in selecting a new language service provider. Remember, it's not as a daunting task as it may seem, because there starts here.